Hey all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will start Git tutorial. Okay. So Git is a version control system. It helps us to track the code changes. Git is used to collaborate on our code. Okay. So see how we will check the version. Come on, Git hyphen version. Then it will respond with the version number. For new user using, you have bit complicated, okay, but do not worry, you will learn it. Okay, so you should note each command of git. Okay, so like this, and you will get the response like this. Okay, so we have a git and remote repository. Git and GitHub are different things. In this tutorial, you will understand what Git is and how to use it on remote repository like GitHub. Okay. For example, uh, just now we have told the how to write the version hyphen version, and now we will check it. Show answer C. Like this, we can check the version. Okay. So we have quiz also for this one. You can go through it. Okay, it's a very general thing. Today I have informed you about git, so you can go through it. If you have any question, please do comment, and please subscribe my channel, like my video, to share. Thank you. Bye bye.